Yo, this ain't hurting. Not even a little bit. Where you going? The camera over here.
I don't care about that damn camera.
Show me my love. Oh God, show me sweet love. Yeah.
Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing the charcoal face mask again, but this time I do have a special guest, my mother. Say hello. Hello. She may be a little shy. So before we go ahead and get started, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified my videos have been uploaded. If you're a new watcher, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can have a personal invitation into my room. And let's get started. So the face mask that will be, charcoal face mask that we'll be doing today is by this company. Purchased from Walmart for about $8. And let's see the directions on the back, how to use me. So they have tutorials on their website, www.sofreshsoclean.com, where you could see hands-on how people are using it. But the instructions say thoroughly clean and dry your face with warm water. Dip brush into jar and scoop desired amount. We recommend to do a patch test first. Spread evenly over face, avoiding eyes, hairline, and lips. Wear mask until completely dry. What happened?
They said test it first so it could stick on our face, basically.
No, they just recommend it. Wear mask until completely dry. This may take 20 to 30 minutes. Gently peel off in a downward or upward motion from the outer edges. Rinse all remaining residue with warm water. If you cannot peel off the mask, rinse it off with warm water. We're not going to do that part. We're going to peel it off. Okay? Refrain from using if you have sensitive skin or are allergic to any ingredients listed in the ingredient panel. Recommended usage once a week. So it comes with a mask applicator, and she's trying to tell me how to do my videos. And then the charcoal mask. It says you could get up to 8 uses out of it. It is kind of open already because when I got it, I wanted to see. If y'all see my last face mask Friday video, y'all know it was a fail, and I was trying to do.
Epic failure.
I was trying to do
Like water diarrhea.
trying to do this charcoal mask, but we're gonna do it again. So I have two. I have this one. I bought this one, and this one came with
I want the green one.
the
I don't know why you give me that look.
This one came with the package, so she wants this one.
Thank you.
Here you go.
And we just put it on our face.
Yep. Avoid your eyebrows.
Give me a
please.
clip. Give me this.
I was gonna use
what
that.
the heck? So it could possibly take off my eyebrows?
Yes, I know you've seen videos of it taking off
That's
people's
why I
eyebrows.
didn't want to do this one because of that.
Oh my goodness! Come on, we're doing this together, ma'am. We're gonna get
If
this.
this thing stuck on my face, I'm packing up all your things.
We are going to be
I'm packing up everything.
purified and Holy Ghost renewed after this.
Glory.
Exactly. Am I supposed to keep this on? I could take this off, right?
I think that would keep it fresh.
Okay.
Don't let it get on your clothes, though.
All right. I'll put mine on first.
I know, you're a champ.
Okay.
And how long it stays on the face?
20 until it dries. This is the consistency. See, this is what I wanted the last one to look like. But that thing was not budging. It was like straight concrete.
I don't like doodle.
It's sticky. I look pretty cute.
You like Mrs. Popo.
We'll be back with you in
Oh, so I got some schoolwork now.
20 to 30 minutes. Catch you in the next scene. Yo, this ain't hurting. Not even a little bit. Where you going? The camera over here.
I don't care about that damn camera.
Ooh. My guy, my guy. Okay, so we are done taking off the mask. And what are your final thoughts?
My final thoughts on this product.
Don't try to be politically correct, just speak.
While the mask was on, I could feel it working because it really sucks. I guess it's really cleansing out your pores where you barely can speak. The application is easy to put on, and removing is a little painful, maybe because I put it on part where some of my sideburns are at. But overall, yeah.
I like the mask. Y'all can see your girl's skin up close and personal. It didn't hurt to take it off at all. I don't like the smell of it, to be honest.
Smelled?
Yeah, I didn't like the smell of it. The liquid form, I didn't like it. Face is smooth as a baby's bottom.
Yeah, it is smooth. And how often are you supposed to use this?
Once a week.
Once a week?
Yep. Maybe I will incorporate that into my skincare routine. I know when I did it, like, my pores weren't really clogged, I guess, because of me constantly cleaning my face on a daily basis. But I think, oh, you closed yours. Where did it?
I could see where it pulled some stuff out my pores. I see some white stuff on the back of it. So that's letting me know it did something. My skin does feel smooth, which is great. But other than that, maybe if I continue using this once a week like it's stated on the box, I'll probably see some good results. My concern is, well, it's not really a concern because I already used the wipes when I'm finished working out.
What you mean your concern?
I said it's no longer a concern.
Like, I know, but what was it?
Oh no, I'm just saying because even though we use this, let's say use it once a week, like for someone who's always working out, because sweat gets in our pores.
Okay.
So, can you use it twice, more than once a week? That's my question is basically.
We have come to the end of this video. Want to thank you guys so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Oh yeah. This week my videos have been going up a little late because my computer is, I don't know what it's doing, but
I don't think it's your computer. I think it's a program.
Well, something's going on, and I'm not sure what it is. I am trying to figure it out so I can get back on my schedule. But other than that, see you in my next one.